Hello, everybody. Howdy. It's me, Miss Colleen. I'm back again. I told y'all I went on hiatus for a minute. I've been traveling a little bit. Since we had that house fire, I went traveling. I went to the Mardi Gras. Y'all see my new mask. I was down there partying with them Louis. Boy, let me tell you, the New Orleans folks, so they know how to get down. They know how to get down. I tell you, best food in the whole damn world you most want to eat down there in New Orleans. Anyway, let me tell you what I saw. I don't fly that much. And I used to hear people always talk about, I lost my luggage. You lost my luggage. Where's my luggage? How come I can't find my luggage? Guess where your luggage at? Your luggage out there in the parking lot. Your luggage is out there on the tarmac. Because you know what? They got these little fellas that ride around in these things they call tubs or tubbies or something like that they call it, right? All your luggage back there in the back. Let me tell you, they turn a corner flying like a bat out of hell, and there go your luggage out there. And guess what? They don't even go back to go get it. They lost the dog out there. They lost the dog and had to run around the whole goddamn place trying to find the dog. Y'all get together, go down there to the parking lot, go down there to Hartsfield, tell the people, let us in the lost and found. I bet you find all your damn luggage up there. I had a chessboard. A gorgeous chessboard got broke. Couldn't figure out how the hell it got broke, but guess what? Now I know what. I sit there looking out the window before it took off. That's how I knew what happened. I see all y'all luggage out there. Let me tell y'all something. Y'all get together and go get your luggage. I sure went and got mine. I don't know what the hell they did with it. Couldn't find it. Couldn't figure it out. But I went and got my shit. Y'all go get yours too. Let me give y'all my tip for the day. Give me my nip, and here's my tip for the day. Let me tell you. Go to Hartsfield. Tell them I want to see you lost and found. I bet you any money you'll find it in the lost and found out there in one of them tubs. Y'all have a great day now. Bye now.